Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So our first question came in from Steve. And the question from Steve was, how do I get and market my business on a budget? So I don't have a lot of extra money to spend on marketing and articles and newspapers and magazines and all these different things. How can I market my business and my custom apparel or decal business on a budget? And honestly, that's probably the easiest one of any of them, and it's exactly what I'm doing right now, okay? So you guys are watching me on YouTube right now. You know how much it cost me to make this video for you guys to know about the Rhinestone World? That much right there, okay? Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, all these different forms of social media. You need to be on every single one of them because they are completely free. Now, can you pay for advertising, and should you? And should you do the research on it? 100%, yes. But you can put a $10 budget, a $20 budget, and you can target your exact customers. Hey, I'm in the Sarasota, Florida area. Who are baseball moms in our area between 35 and 55 years old that I can push these rhinestone shirts for, or these glitter shirts? How about businesses that I can do sign advertising for? So there's so many different ways, even on Instagram. Just do a search for different hashtags of places in your area or baseball tournaments or people to contact. There's so many ways that you can save money on advertising and get it for free and not spend a dime that I would always try that first, because that's the way I did it. I built my entire business on free advertising through our YouTube channel. Most of you here probably found us right here on YouTube or on Facebook. So think of different ways, think outside the box, think of cool things to do. But one of the main things you need to do when you contact these different customers or these different businesses is don't just go to them with buy this, buy this, buy this. Provide some type of value for them where it's really going to help them, where, hey, maybe it's a special coupon code, or it's, hey, I'm going to find someone that has a huge following, right? Maybe you make them a free shirt. I always try to stay away from the free shirts inside your circle of friends because they all know what you do already. Get outside of that circle. Get into that free advertising with all the social media. And it's not an overnight thing. You need to stick to it. You need to keep doing it, and eventually you'll see it grow. So hopefully that answered your question, but we're going to have some amazing questions here. Make sure to comment below. Let me know what questions you have that I can help you with in your business, and I look forward to helping all of you soon. So I'll be back tomorrow to give you some more great information. We'll see you, crew. Later.